GetMyBabyMoney.com.
Get my baby money. Get your money, baby, get your money, money. Get my baby money.
Welcome back to Child Support Court, the Vodcast with Judge Harry Bowden. I'm glad you came back. We got a very serious issue that we're going to deal with today, and I want to do it in different parts. But before I get to it, how do you like my new chamber? They upgraded me a little bit, said, let's get you out a little bit more and give you a bit more space to enjoy yourself. And that's what I'm doing with all of you all. Listen, today I want to deal with an issue that you may be able to relate to. Ye and Kim. Or should I say Kim and Ye. Ye, formerly known as Kanye West. Ladies and gentlemen, this is an interesting fact pattern here because it tells about how things can be done. Okay? How things can be done. But it also gets into another other issue that we'll deal with, probably not this episode, but another one. The first thing is this. You know Kim and Kanye had 4 beautiful children. And they finally got their divorce finalized. But this is what's interesting about it, how they dealt with the issue of the children, and we want to focus on child support. First and foremost, they had a prenuptial agreement. They worked out the terms before they got married. And they got married before they had children. But they worked out some terms as to what would happen just in case it didn't work out. So based upon the filings in the divorce, they had a prenuptial agreement that dealt with their separate property. So the sole issue we have to focus on is child support. How are we going to support the children? And they agreed amicably, thank goodness, for the children's sake, as much as they could. And we're going to deal with that right when we come back after a word from our sponsor.
Revenue collections piling up? Lacking the experienced manpower needed to complete jobs safely? Tired of experiencing risks due to low quality and inexperienced applicants? We can help end this cycle. The Success Center Recruitment and Consulting will benefit your company. We build real and transparent relationships between recruiter and hiring manager. Book a call today and begin the process of finding the right person to join your team.
We're back. So let me tell you what happened between Kim Kardashian and Ye. They settled for $200,000 a month. Nothing. What's $200,000 when you're both worth billions? But they came to an agreement based upon what they had. Now that's special in and of itself, that people who have things can come to an agreement as to how they're going to do what, starts with an S, ends with a T, support their children. Now what I am really excited about was the agreement they came to on custody. Both of them have joint physical custody. Did you hear what I said? Now, most people, you will have joint physical custody with one being a primary custodian, right? One having the primary custody of the children and make all decisions from there. But they took it a step farther. They have both joint physical custody, and in their agreement, based upon what I've researched and read, they will split the time with the children. Yes, doesn't that make sense? Both are capable, both are financially able, and both have an interest to make sure that their children are with them so they can expose them to what they will expose them to and show their love for them individually. Now that brings up another question. If they both have joint physical custody, why is Mr. Ye complaining about what Miss West is allowing the children to do? Can he do that? Listen to the next episode and we'll go deep into detail. How can you control what the custodial parent does with the child when you're not with them? Come back for the next Child Support Court, the Vodcast with Judge Bowden. Don't you miss an episode.